Hey guys, it's me, Transit Joy 1997. Today we're going to be railfanning again in Trenton Transit Center. So anyways, enjoy the video. Okay, the first train we got is SEPTA Silverliner 5. Gonna drop off its last stop, Trenton, and then it'll be on its way to Philadelphia. That's a Silverliner 5, made by Hyundai Rotem. Gee, I wonder why SEPTA trains are so short.
Attention transit passengers, the next train to arrive on track 5 is discharge only and does not accept any passengers. Please stand back from the yellow line.
Okay. Anyways, more to come. Alright, the time is 2:23. We're waiting for a 3:22 train from a New Jersey Transit train in Trenton. No, not Trenton, I mean Penn Station, my bad. And it's gonna take long. I don't know why. Oh well, there's more to come.
Does not accept any passengers. Please stand back from the yellow line.
Here we got ALP 46A leading the multi-level train, stopping at its last stop. 4662. And the Amtrak train should come any minute. SID 22 is leading. Multi-level trains leaving, and the Northeast Regional train's about to leave. No, we're not taking it. The other one.
Okay.
Few more trains. Here we got New Jersey Transit L3. Wow, these Arrow 3s are built way back to the 1970s. So, some of them got 12K for power, and some of them got 25K for the Morristown line and Morristown and Essex lines from Hoboken. Anyways, more to come. That SEPTA train's gonna leave.
It's coming?
No, this one's leaving.
Oh, this one leaving. Why you leaving this?
What, man?
What's you leaving?
To Philadelphia,
Oh, Philadelphia.
Pennsylvania.
Oh.
That's another commuter rail from
Boston,
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Massachusetts.
No, Amtrak is the one that goes there, not this one. This one goes from here to Philadelphia.
That's it.
Yes. Sister Teen's leading.
Please watch the gap when boarding the train.
Whoa, Acella's coming. I mean, this one's going fast. Wow. That was a fast one. Anyways, more to come. There it goes, on its way to Washington, D.C. If it's either a multi-level train or Comet push-pull set, we're taking that one back home.
This train on track 4 is the Amtrak 318 westbound train number 19.
There's a business class on the back, like always.
Baltimore, Washington, Alexandria, Manassas, Culpeper, Charlottesville, Lynchburg, Danville.
On track number 4 is the Amtrak train number 19, the Crescent, the 318 departure to New Orleans.
So here we got a long distance train, the Crescent to New Orleans.
Attention Trenton passengers, now boarding on track 4 is the 318 westbound Amtrak Crescent train number 19 to New Orleans, stopping at Philadelphia, Wilmington, Baltimore, Washington, Alexandria.
With amplitudes and Bueliner diner sleepers and combined sleeper and baggage. Nice. Here comes NJ Transit. And it's a multi-level train, and we're going home, back home. Yep. Here it comes. That's the train we're going to take back home. .7014's leading. Beautiful multi-level train. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.